Let's learn about animals and their name of the groups. Part 2 of 6. Group of Chinchilla is called a colony. Group of Choughs is called a Clattering. Group of Clams is called a bed. Group of Cobras is called a Quiver. Group of Cockroaches is called a Intrusion. Group of Horde is called a lap. Group of Coots is called a cover raft. Group of Cormorants is called a Gulp. Group of Cows is called a Kine. Group of Coyotes is called a band. Group of Crabs is called a cast. Group of Cranes is called a Seige. Group of Crocodiles is called a Bask float. Group of Crows is called a murder or horde or parcel or storytelling. Group of Curlews is called a herd. Group of deer is called a herd or leash or gang. Group of buck deer is called a brace or clash. Group of Roe Deer is called a Bevy. Group of dogs is called a Kennel. Group of curs dogs is called a Cowardice. Group of hounds dogs is called a cry or mute or pack. Group of puppies is called a litter. Group of wild dogs is called a pack. Group of dolphins is called a pod. Group of donkeys is called a drove or pace or herd. Group of dotterel is called a trip. Group of doves generally is called a nullay or bevy or coat or dole or paddling. Group of turtle doves is called a pitying or piteousness. Group of flight ducks is called a flock. Group of ground ducks is called a brace, battling. Group of water ducks is called a raft or team or paddling. Group of dunlins is called a fling. Group of eagles is called a convocation or eyrie. Group of eels is called a swarm or bed or fry. Group of elephants is called a herd or memory. Group of elk is called a gang or herd. Group of emus is called a mob.
If you like this video, please share with your friends, and don't forget to click the subscribe button.